Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to an episode of PATTAY'S Performance. Today we're going to be wrapping up our free Craftsman Pressure Washer. To recap, we got the unloader valve stuck. Now to complete this sale, right? You guys know I don't like pressure washers in the sense that they do sell really well. The profit just isn't there sometimes if the flip. So we got lucky, just an unloader valve. I did have a spare one. So we're good to go. I was not successful in freeing up the original one. So now we have to go about getting a gun, hose, and wand. Gun, hose. I don't know why I said wand. Okay? And it was also missing the tips. Without any of this stuff, this pressure washer is nothing. So let's do like an open box. Okay, this is off eBay. My affiliate link will be in the description, right? That is how you guys support the channel. I will never ask you guys to donate money, buy me anything. Me and Miss PATTAY'S Performance, we are, God willing, we don't need any of that. I'd rather have you guys, I say it's like a broken record, take all the things that we show you, because she's part of PATTAY'S Performance, and treat and take care of yourself. Okay, we spoke about this on our one of our lives, okay? Thomas Andrews treated himself to a $200 pair of shoes. Fantastic. Thomas Andrews is just like me. We are always on our feet. So that is invaluable, okay? You Made Me Lawn, another good subscriber, okay? Treated himself to a nice brand new Honda lawnmower, which is fantastic, but I think it's interesting that he buys and sells lawnmowers to try and get something second hand. No matter what, it's fantastic. Do what you want to do, okay? For us, we always take care of each other. We always come first. You guys see it all the time. Need a tool, Mandingo, right? Did a bunch of work to it, treat ourselves to a $1,200 bumper, all right? So that's what I want you to do. Take what we do here, apply it to yourself, whether you're saving money by doing the repair for yourself or using it for financial benefit like we do, you know, for our IVF fund. You know, that's what I want you to do. Don't send us any money, please. Anyway, yeah, so let's see if this 50 bucks cracks it up. I haven't bought one of these in a while. Obviously off eBay. Affiliate link will be there. Please use it. If the link is no good, then let me know and I will correct it. I will use the same exact vendor and the same exact item I get paid, right? I get paid a commission on every sale. Obviously, the more value the item is, the more I get. I don't care about that. I'm not gonna send you guys a link for a $75 hose, meanwhile I paid something $50. If I used it, it's gonna be on here. So just keep that in mind. We have our hose tips, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we're gonna go to the machine. This already has 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh. We're missing one, so hey, we get to keep one. And this one already has a black one. So let's get you over to the pressure washer. Or, can we zoom in? Do you guys see that? Yeah, let's zoom in. I forgot I have this nice fancy camera. Let's go. Nah, we'll bring you back. For some reason, I don't like how it wasn't focusing. So let's get this closer. Where are we at? I don't know. You know what? We'll just do a zoom. All right, we're going to match these. Black to black, 25 degrees, low pressure. Okay, we have red, 0 degrees. That's very high pressure. Okay, yellow, 15. Okay, and then we have white. It's gonna go right here. Now this nozzle's different, so I'm gonna take that out. I like to keep things uniform-wise. Okay, we'll stick that there. Oh. Why is that not gripping? I don't like that. Okay, so you know what? We will put the black hose tip actually on the gun. So let's assemble the gun. We have an O-ring right there. We will just twist this in. Actually, I want to put like some Now, should I do Teflon tape? Nah, we'll leave it. We'll see if this holds as is. Get our nice new hose. You got two ends. They're universal. So one goes to the hose and one goes to the pressure washer. Actually, one goes to the gun and one goes to the pressure washer. So, let's get down below. All right. Are we? Come on. Nice and tight. And then our hose hooks right here. Okay, so let's stick this to the side, and off camera I'm going to get some water hooked up and we'll give this thing a couple of pulls and we'll see where we're at. All right, we have some pressure building up, so let's all right, that's a good thing we got some water coming out. All right, let's make sure this tip fits. We're in. Remember, you want to get all the air out. Oh, look at that, see how? There we go. Make sure this hose isn't kinked. This hose was kinked. There we go, we got a nice flow. Let's get a distance shot. All right, that's it. It's literally just stop and start. Fire in the hole. First call. This is soap. It's a 15-degree hose. Oh, baby. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. So I'm going to let this thing run for a little bit. I'm going to change the oil on it. Something we're going to do off camera. Get this thing nice and hot. Yeah, we'll get you guys off camera. Alright guys, that's it. So you guys can see, tips worked well, gun worked well, hoses worked well. The only thing that didn't work, technically, figuratively speaking, is the black nozzle hose that didn't crimp right into the holding. Was that a quality control issue, or was that a defect with the machine? Actually, let me go check it out. Okay, I checked. It's possibly a defect. Okay, so what I did was I switched the black to either yellow or red where it's nice and tight, and it was still loose. I took the yellow and red, put it in the black slot. So that black is the machine a little bit thinner compared to the rest. Still, for the bang of your bucks, can you really complain? Less than 50 bucks, gun, hose, wand, and tips. Price that out at the individual, price that at the hardware store individually, you're gonna be paying a lot more. So, also, that $50 buy is going to keep this thing in budget and increase our profit. We're hopefully looking at a $200 profit on this. Fantastic. So yeah, you know what guys? If you guys found this video helpful, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. Guess what? I'll see you guys on the next episode of PATTAY'S Performance. And no leaks on the hose. Number 2, I flip and fix. So do not ask me about long-term use. This pressure washer is going to be sold and gone. All right, guys. Later.